Welcome back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6. Ainasvika pasi but patangira mvura it's about 6 meters.
Okay. Saka depth yacho yese yemvura.
Sarada uchiti 6 minus 75 which is 69. Saka 69 yese kula ini mvura mese 69. Awa yafi. Oh. Zori bangwa nishato patagezao.
You happy, Gogo?
I'm happy. Hello, happy. So happy.
Not yet.
Not yet.
When I actually have the water out, then I'll be happy. For are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Good.
There's no need for me to
battery.
carry a bucket.
All the way from Macrosa.
But that's how many for me.
Kana mapambiro epambu AC. Akatosiyana neDC.
Okay. Saka now once ngati tizopa pazoita magetsi. Time yakusina zuwa. Awa yeball yashoma. Inenge yakuda kuita semachi.
Chitafana kuchinja pambu. Toisa yemagetsi.
Ukoneka kutochinja pambu.
Toisa yemagetsi ka. Toisa yemagetsi. Towedzera masola. Toisa inonzi VSD. Drive. Rinochinja kubva ku DC kuendesa ku AC.
Alright.
Toshandisa ipapo magetsi. Anenge ari masola but anenge ari magetsi. Toisa futi imwe provision yekuti kana magetsi kusina kana zuva kusina mune maakuisa breka remasola off moita remagetsi
on.
Unzane kunoko. Amusuda kupinda through. Now I don't push it one because my fingers will get clamped.
So
ngatiedzei kuti apinda akadai tikatopinda bisi mangodini kungodai ayo morisimudza rakadaro so mochiripindurudza. Why make so much work for yourselves? Now maungopinzira kaiko matopedza bata pasi basa.
It must be this way.
It looks better this way. My fingers. It looks better this way. See me. Push it up. Yeah.
It's like this.
$370
They're slightly bigger
than ours. Ngando ano ngaripo. Kana tauda kututsira ndizvo.
right. Masolar panels haana chimwe chaanoshanda ba. Anoshanda ball chete.
Oh.
Zveko hoti kusina magetsi pamwe tega tiboda kuti tifonda mafoni.
Ndinoshanda kuti mapanels akanaka.
Munozvidemba. Because phone yacho
Network. Yes. Zvimwe muri kunetswa nemhepo handizvi? You need more stones. I know that a little bit going that side. Was straight here. Maple. Now just bend it as you are going to it's no longer straight. Check a bender.
Right.
Yeah, much better. It's unfortunate it's a windy day today. I will need some new wind a little. Just slightly. Slightly this side. Yeah, yeah. Much better. Ayo, Ditore. Oh, I was gonna do it. Because I'm going to see Annie, Baba. There's no money on about no. Kwa say drawiro. Dora dog gats it. Ku vibe baba na deji ndo pa dog gats it.
Yemagetsi kumatiro hata yemagetsi kuti siro padhuza apa ijambane neiwe kuseri kwaye ngaiwe ne apa yene apa ya achitreda chete wondo na wachikondora one zapina mvure
Guys.
Saka pane papera tambo pane pata kuna kupera tambo ngezi ndo pato kuvhurira over zvinenge zvinopera.
Saka all the way down inenge chingo joinana nei.
Iyi pipe inofambirana netambo
nedambo.
Iyo inenge iri yega.
Okay.
Lo gazona tambo. Kozi niwe yakutse kata dosi. Yayo kuno tambo yana. Yana ayo mpesi yaje.
Yana.
Yana. Sare ndio ndio uone kozi yakare basi. Basi maribere yake ndio kwa uchiko. Ni chibuda.
Yeah, we do have water.
How full, bro?
And it's 4:30. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Avero buda yachema. Makufara kama mshoti mchatanga usufara kana maona chi?
Yeah, because
You're afraid.
Yeah.
Saka
Shava nani?
mani.
Nani. Yeah. Nani is direct.
Kasakrumza with a dry.
Haimboiti dry amvrebdo muchazona ino ndo kufamba kwenguwa. Rinenge raso bose unamona paya panenge achichera pepe. Ana chivhara dzimwe nyatso ne pressure.
Alright.
Pakira mavumu nedzimwe manyatso dzede.
Saka zvekuzoti kana takuchida second stage yekuti muye muti tank, yes. Okay.
No problem. Iyi line iri arisha pa chatombuvhura.
Alright. Ipapo shit. Perfect. Those are nice. Those zero. Don't laugh. Ndatoperere papa uri kundiseka. Uchafamba uchipedzisa. Ngoita light. Oh God. ndakudzwa handizvikwanise ndiri kungoita line ona rakabhenda mangwana ndomuka ndine mablisters ndomuka ndine mablisters ndonyatsozviziya mangwana ndomuka ndine mablisters I'm trying to dig. Oh, ndakupa guideline. At least. Now it's Fadzi and Dad's 10. I've done my part. Andikuona now. Zvanyore kwauri. Ndakuvhurira road. Asi wanga uchindiseka. Asi serious. Pane imwe shovel yauya. Oh, alright. Yaenda mberi uko. Ona hanzi naFlosi ndimbofushira zve 2 minutes. So Flosi ona zvari kuita teremo. Pacherwa kudhara ndo pari kukunetsa. Nai, ivhu unaro riri kukunetsa. Hapana zvauri kuite. Hapana zve-effort yauri kuita baba. Almost done and the sun is down. What a job. Tombonoseka munin'ina wangu. Tomboona zvaari kutitira. Ari kutitira mashura. Flosi ari kutitira mashura. Tete Four. Look at what Tete Four is doing.
She's doing the work.
Tete Four is trying to do work.
Yes.
Tete Four is trying.
Fushira?
Fushira Tete Four, fushira. Gamura zveka ivhu iro rauri kusiya ningirikini exactly. Tete Four do stuff.
Doing things.
Do things, Tete Four. Do things, Tete Four.
Effort.
Chimira raiti ndifambe ndichistampa inini.
Tete Laura, doing some work?
Yes. Tete Lola at work.
At work. What are you doing, Tete Laura?
Tete Lola is working hard. So one more try. He's switching on to see if we'll get water to the spot. But there's no sun. But let's just see. Miracles might happen. We might get a miracle. Mavura. Mavura. Apo maswitch on. Naona kuti mvura iri kubuda.
Asi manje hapana chingabuda because hapana zuva.
Okay. No sun, so we'll try that tomorrow morning. So today is the following day after the installation, and Dad is now making his own checkups. We want to see if Masuja on.
Yeah.
Let's go see if we have water. Is there anything coming out? Yes. No. Nothing. Totally nothing. Completely nothing. Something is happening. It's bubbling.
Kubva pasi kukwira mudenga mamita zese waya
Yeah.
nelength iyi.
But nezuro apo it didn't take long.
Pane pauda more pressure kaya kupusha then no zuva.
It was bubbling a little. Listen. Majinzo. There we go. So we do have water. Pasina mvura, this is a great pressure. Pasina zuva, I mean. This is super pressure. Pasina zuva. So as you can see, it's cloudy, no sun, but we do have water. Yeah, it's as you can see, guys. And the water is a little bit, yeah. Yes. Since it's the first water, so it's not yet clear. So the work continues. We are still trying to support the panels. They are not well supported at the moment. So like we are on the 4th leg, and now it's no longer that wobbly. And then when we finish, we then like fence it all around. So halfway through, the gate is now standing, and the fence, we've just put it around, but not yet fixed. But all in all, this is what it's supposed to look like. That's -1 stress. We have to straighten it up, and then later it's gonna be like a barbed wire. There's a wire on top, and then in between like just a straight wire to hold down. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Toodles, see you in the next one.